You give respect, you get respect.
But you don't ask with respect. You don't offer friendship. You don't even think to call me Godfather.
Godfather?
Good.
Spend time with your family.
You spend time with your family?
Sure I do.
Good. Because a man who doesn't spend time with his family can never be a real man.
Never talk business at the table.
My papa never talked business at the table, and
We don't discuss business at the table.
Always take side of your family.
Fredo, you're my older brother, and I love you. But don't ever take sides with anyone against the family again. Ever.
Speak only when you must.
Oh, are you telling me that the Tatalias guarantee our
Wait a
investment?
minute. What's the matter with you? Never tell anybody outside the family what you're thinking again.
You're a superhero.